Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to another video. Myself Rajan. I am a HR YouTuber. I make videos in YouTube regarding for job vacancies, HR insight, corporate insight. Today's video is again regarding for the 3 new vacancies that we are having. So please stay tuned and watch the full video so I can share you the entire job details with you. Give you the company detail first. My company name is 3 Pillar Global. 3 Pillar Global is an IT service providing company. Head office located in US Virginia. In India, head office located in Noida, and 90% of employees are working from home and 10% are working from client side. Our total headcount is 2800 plus. For more details, please check the description box. I have given the website link plus LinkedIn link, so please go through it and have a look. Talk about the vacancies that we are having. First one is senior data engineer, which is not a remote opening. We are looking for Mumbai location. And second one is senior AI/ML engineer, which is remote opening, and lead AI/ML, that is also a remote opening. All the 3 vacancies job details is mentioned in the description box, so please have a look. You can directly apply from there also. I am giving you few bullet points or keywords what exactly we are looking. Let's talk about the first vacancy that we are having. The first requirement, we are looking for a senior data engineer. 3+ years of experience would be fine. A candidate should have strong knowledge into Python development and Python programming. Should have experience to SQL part and little bit of experience to data warehousing or ETL would be fine. The budget for this role, we can go up to 15 lakhs, not more than that. End client for this project is DBS Bank, and the job location would be Mumbai Nariman Point. Notice period, we are looking for a candidate who can join within a week of time, because it's an urgent opening. We need someone who can join as early as possible. The second requirement we are having, which is senior AI/ML engineer. Experience level, we are looking for 5+ years. The tech stacks are, first is should have good experience into Python programming, hands-on experience into REST API, good knowledge into deep learning, good knowledge into NLP, plus a little bit of cloud experience would be fine. And the budget for this role is around 30 to 35 lakhs. This is a remote opening, so anywhere from India candidates are welcome. But we are looking for a candidate who can join within a 30 days of time. The third requirement we are having, which is the lead AI/ML engineer. The experience level, we are looking for 8+ years. A candidate should be having 1 or 2 years of leading experience would be fine. Tech stacks are similar. Should have experience to Python programming, hands-on experience to REST API, good knowledge of deep learning and NLP, and little bit of cloud is fine. And budget for this role is around 40 to 45 lakhs. And same similar thing, like we're looking for candidates all over India. If we talk about the interview process, there would be 2 rounds of interview. 2 rounds of technical discussion would be there, and after that direct HR discussion. If we talk about the benefits that companies are providing, let's start with the CTC structure. We are providing fixed salary. There is no variable component. All are fixed. Only deductions are there: PF, gratuity, and 200 rupees professional tax. Rest are net take home. And regarding the insurance thing, we have a 3 lakhs of medical plus group medical insurance policies here. 3 policies, we are providing 40 leaves in a calendar year. 15 is sick leave, 15 is PTO, plus 10 is casual leave. So request to you, please update the CV properly and mention and highlight all the required skill in your profile, even in the project also. Because initially what happens, while you share the CV and I'll upload it the 80th and it get rejected. So if you don't mention the required skill, immediately the CV will get rejected. If anyone is interested and who is having similar kind of experience and relevant skill and want to apply for this role, you can directly apply from the job link which I have given in the description box, or else just do a comment. I'll get in touch with you and I'll directly post your profile to the hiring manager. Lastly, just want to say, guys, if you like my videos, my content, please do subscribe, like, and share. And please share with your friends. I'm definitely sure my content and everything will help you guys a lot. So thank you, guys.